So you have a Gmail account. Okay, it's your lunch number at portlandschools.org. It's the same account that you use to log into Google Classroom and everything. And you should be checking it regularly, okay? But one thing to be aware of, and I'm sorry, you're gonna get a lot of emails from Google Classroom, okay? So I have a couple emails in here as an example. You can usually tell right away that they're from Google Classroom because it'll say new assignment or new question. And it says Christopher Pirkl posted, so that's a good clue too. All right. The cool thing about these is that if you open it, you can see all the directions, and then if you click open, it will bring you to the view assignment screen for that assignment. So it'll bring you right to it. So you can go to it through the classwork tab, right? And find it that way and click view assignment, or right from the email, you can access it that way as well. So that's pretty great. But you do want to make sure that you're checking your email so that you can see when things are posted, or private comments. So I might add a private comment on your assignment, or a teacher might add a private comment, and you can see it right from in here. So I'm asking about this assignment, right? So you can see which assignment it is. And I asked, do you need any help getting started on this, right? And then if you click on reply, it'll bring you right to it, and you can see in the view assignment that there's a private comments section, and only the teacher and the students see that, okay? That's why it's called private, all right? So checking your email is really important. So you want to delete that. If you were in Google Classroom already and you saw that, you could just delete that. But just make sure that you're checking your email regularly and using that to jump right into assignments. Hope that was helpful.